Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to be doing a quick fix, or hopefully a quick fix on the shifter cable on the K1500. It wants to pop off of the shifting arm on the transmission fairly easy. I mean, once you pull it below drive, it wants to come off. But it could pop off at any time, and who wants to crawl underneath to put it back on? This is the arm I'm talking about. With very little pressure, it's just coming right off. So we want to eliminate that problem with this kit that I got here. It has a sleeve and then the washers and your lock nut so that you can bolt it on instead of snapping it in. And then this will keep it from this will just be a solid connection where you don't have to worry about it. So the only thing I got to do, I got to take this off and drill out file down this here so I can get it's like rivet, kind of like a rivet, and knock it out of there. So using on this particular one, it's not quite like the one in the instructions, but 1332 is the size hole you need. I use a caliper on this. So I use a 1332, and I kind of had to, wallow it out just a little bit so that this would slide in there. But so now that that's in, it's got to go a little bit farther, but when you tighten it, it will. Now I just have to take this off and get this pin off of there. So I'm going to put this in the vise. Basically that pin has like a rivet-like head. So you just shave that head down and just drive it out with like a drift. So basically you can see it now, but when you first file this flat, you will not see that circle. So once you get a pin that start driving it out, second you hit it, you'll start to see the circle, but it's basically right in the center. So that's just where you got to hit it to start it. But this is going to pop right out. I just want to show it before I took it all the way. All right, so here it is installed. You got a washer, and this is not tight all the way. It's just tight enough right before it like squeezes, so basically it can freely turn inside of here. But that's it, so not too bad. So yeah, that's basically it. There's not much to it, so it's a lot better than changing that whole cable. And really, I mean, it's such an easy fix. I just wouldn't do it any other way unless there was something wrong with the cable itself. It was only 25 bucks, so probably could make something yourself, but for 25 bucks, they have all the little pieces. That might just make the difference right there. That little sleeve that slides inside of that the end of the cable might be worth just having it all in one little package instead of trying to make it. But you could do it, I suppose. But anyway, there's more to come. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.